First of all, what is hydrogen water? Well, hydrogen, H2, is the most abundant molecule in the universe. It's an odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas. Hydrogen water is simply normal water, H2O, that contains dissolved hydrogen gas, H2. In 2007, a Japanese scientific research team discovered that inhaled hydrogen gas could act as an antioxidant and protect the brain from free radicals. This sparked the interest in its potential health benefits worldwide and led to some breakthrough research. Currently, there are over 700 studies about the therapeutic effects of hydrogen water in 170 diseases. Molecular hydrogen seems to be the perfect therapeutic the world has been eagerly searching for and has no negative side effects. Let's take a quick look at hydrogen water. It is neuroprotective. It's an excellent antioxidant. It's an anti-inflammatory. It protects organs. It's anti-aging for the skin. It's muscle recovery, stimulates energy metabolism, lowers cholesterol and blood sugar, improves a wide variety of diseases, including autoimmune and neurological disorders. It's extremely safe for consumption. It's healthy for the body. Hydrogen water is loaded with hydrogen molecules and is great for consumption or even absorbed through a bath, where it's extremely beneficial for the skin. Hydrogen is the world's smallest molecule. And because of this unique property, molecular hydrogen can penetrate into every organ and cell in the body, including the brain. Its properties include antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, weight loss, and anti-allergy activity, and so much more. Let's talk about that so much more, shall we? Let's look at the amazing benefits of hydrogen water, specifically in its effects on the body. Number one, hydrogen water is an antioxidant and protects the brain. So it was first shown that molecular hydrogen could protect from damage by reducing the most toxic reactive oxygen species, or ROS, in cells. Inhaled oxygen also easily reached the brain to reduce injury in rats with stroke. In the first pilot studies of 38 stroke patients, a hydrogen solution was safe and had a mild antioxidant effect. Also, in a small study of 17 patients with Parkinson's disease, those who drank hydrogen water had improved symptoms. Those who drank regular placebo water, however, experienced a worsening. There were also no adverse effects to drinking 1 liter of hydrogen water daily for almost 1 year. So no study so far has looked at the effect of hydrogen water alone on Parkinson's disease, but in the completed studies, patients drank hydrogen water as an add-on to regular medications. In rats, hydrogen water reduced oxidative stress and prevented Parkinson's disease. Curiously, hydrogen seems to achieve better results with lower doses. Rats who drank hydrogen water did even better than those who constantly received higher amounts of hydrogen intravenously. So hydrogen water prevented cognitive, learning, and memory problems in mice under stress by acting as an antioxidant. It also protected cells in the brain's memory hub, or the hippocampus, from the detrimental effects of stress. So the conclusion is hydrogen water could potentially be used to prevent cognitive and stress-induced disorders. Now, number two, hydrogen water may improve mood disorders. The science behind that is hydrogen water restored the natural growth of brain cells in mice. Since this also happens in people who overcome depression with antidepressants or otherwise, hydrogen water has the potential for improving depression and other mood disorders. Number three, hydrogen water suppresses inflammation. Study behind that. In one pilot study, 20 patients with rheumatoid arthritis drank a half a liter a day of hydrogen water for 4 weeks. By the end of the study, all the patients with early rheumatoid arthritis received remission, and 20%, in fact, became symptom-free. Molecular hydrogen also had anti-inflammatory effects in many animal studies. Number four, hydrogen water reduces muscle fatigue and weakness. In an experiment with 10 young athletes, hydrogen water reduced lactic acid buildup during heavy exercise and decreased muscle fatigue. Drinking 2 liters of hydrogen water daily helped 8 cyclists power through sprints with more energy and less exhaustion in one small 2-week study. In a study on mice with a serious muscle wasting disease, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, hydrogen water prevented abnormal body mass gain and increased the production of antioxidant glutathione. Hydrogen water could potentially improve muscular dystrophy in DMD patients. Number 5, hydrogen water may prevent metabolic syndrome. Hydrogen water reduced fatty liver in mice with type 2 diabetes, obesity, and those that were fed with a high-fat diet. It also boosted energy use and reduced levels of glucose, insulin, and triglycerides. Number 6, hydrogen water may boost weight loss. So long-term drinking of hydrogen water helped lose body fat and weight in rats. It boosted burning fats and sugars for energy without any change in diet. In fact, drinking hydrogen water had similar effects as calorie restriction. Number 7, hydrogen water enhances energy metabolism. Hydrogen water protected the body's energy powerhouse, the mitochondria, in several studies of 41 people with muscle disease. They drank 0.5 to 1 liter of hydrogen water per day. So hydrogen water also stimulates energy metabolism in mice. Number 8, hydrogen water helps diabetes. Drinking hydrogen water decreased cholesterol, improved glucose tolerance, and insulin resistance in a study of 36 patients with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes, which is impaired glucose tolerance. And the patients drank 900 milliliters of hydrogen water daily for 8 weeks. This may be a safe and simple way to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes in those at risk. Number 9, hydrogen water may alkalize the body. Metabolic acidosis is when the blood drops and becomes more acidic, which can happen from intense exercise. Drinking 2 liters of hydrogen water daily increased the blood pH before and after 2 weeks, after exercise, after 2 weeks with no side effects in a study of 52 healthy, active men. Hydrogen water was safe and had an alkalizing effect on the blood that can neutralize the post-exercise pH dip. Number 10, hydrogen may fight cancer. So far, only cellular studies point to the potential of hydrogen water for fighting cancer. Hydrogen water combined with increased temperature or hypothermia had a strong cancer-killing effect in cells. In human cancer cells, hydrogen water suppressed tumor growth by reducing oxidative stress. Hydrogen water also blocked the creation of new blood vessels in human lung cancer cells, preventing cancer from spreading and growing. Number 11, hydrogen water may reduce side effects of chemotherapy and radiation. In one study of 49 patients on radiation therapy for liver cancer, drinking hydrogen water 1.5 to 2 liters per day improved the patient's quality of life and appetite. Hydrogen water could reduce oxidative stress and damage from radiation without compromising its cancer-killing effects. In mice, drinking hydrogen water increased survival, reduced kidney damage, and weight loss from a chemotherapy drug called cisplatin. Number 12, hydrogen water boosts skin health. Hydrogen water given through an IV solution safely improved skin health in 4 patients with redness and inflammation and pain. The skin redness went away after a couple days of treatment and did not return. In fact, bathing in hydrogen water for 3 months noticeably reduced skin wrinkles in 6 people. Hydrogen water could also boost collagen production, reduce UV damage, and act as an antioxidant in skin cells. Warm hydrogen-infused baths could be a pleasant, safe way to reverse skin aging. And number 13, hydrogen water enhances wound healing. Hydrogen water intake via tube feeding in elderly patients reduced the wound size of pressure ulcers and enhanced recovery. Number 14, hydrogen water may improve bladder health. In rats with a blockage in the bladder, hydrogen water reduced bladder volume by neutralizing oxidative stress. It also improved the responsiveness of bladder muscles. As a strong antioxidant, hydrogen water could potentially help those with a bladder obstruction. Number 15, hydrogen water may protect the heart. In diabetic mice, hydrogen water significantly improved heart health and prevented heart disease. It could become a nutritional intervention for preventing heart problems in people with diabetes. Number 16, hydrogen water may protect the eyes. Hydrogen-loaded eye drops aided the recovery of eye injuries caused by high eye pressure in rats. It protected the nerves in the eye by its antioxidant action. A hydrogen solution reduced detrimental blood vessel growth in mice with eye injuries from chemicals. Also, hydrogen solutions can be used as a first aid eye rinse to prevent blindness from chemical burns. Number 17, hydrogen water may prevent hearing loss. Hearing loss often results from oxidative damage due to aging, noise, or drugs. Molecular hydrogen protected the cells responsible for hearing from this damage and increased their survival. In fact, hydrogen water could potentially protect against hearing loss caused by noise or other types of oxidative stress. Number 18, hydrogen water may combat allergies. Drinking hydrogen water stopped immediate type allergic reactions in mice. These occur within a couple of minutes and are more characteristic of the Th2 dominance. Hydrogen stopped the allergies not only by its antioxidant action, but also by blocking the whole allergic pathway. Hydrogen water is a promising potential remedy for people with allergic, inflammatory conditions like eczema, as it seems to balance the immune response. In mice with eczema, hydrogen water improved symptoms by suppressing inflammation and balancing both the Th1 and Th2 responses. Number 19, hydrogen water may protect the kidneys. Hydrogen water protected the kidneys from damage in rats. It could reduce oxidative stress, improve kidney blood flow and function. Hydrogen also added to the dialysis solution reduced inflammation and high blood pressure in 21 patients on dialysis because of kidney failure. Number 20, hydrogen water may protect the liver. In 60 patients with hepatitis B, drinking hydrogen water as an add-on to regular treatment was safe and reduced oxidative stress. Drinking hydrogen water suppressed liver scarring in mice by protecting liver cells from free radical damage. It also significantly improved liver function and reduced oxidative stress in patients with chronic hepatitis. Number 22, hydrogen water could promote gut health. Hydrogen-rich water prevented damage to the stomach lining in rats by its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Hydrogen water could potentially protect healthy individuals from gut damage. Number 23, hydrogen water could protect the lungs. Rats who drank hydrogen water were protected against lung tissue injury. Hydrogen water reduced inflammation and oxidative stress. Number 24, hydrogen water may protect from radiation. Molecular hydrogen has the potential to be used as a safe radioprotective remedy. Giving mice hydrogen water before radiation increased their survival rates and protected the heart from damage. Hydrogen also increased the survival of white blood cells exposed to radiation. Number 25, hydrogen water may relieve pain. Now, hydrogen water was not better than the placebo in one study of 30 patients with painful inflamed bladder, cystitis, but it did help reduce the pain in 11% of the patients. Drinking hydrogen water could reduce neuropathic pain in mice due to its well-known anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Clinical trials would need to confirm the success, but hydrogen water holds promise for safely improving otherwise hard-to-treat neuropathic pain. Number 26, hydrogen water may increase longevity. The ability of molecular hydrogen to protect the DNA in the mitochondria from oxidative damage may have beneficial effects on chronic diseases and cancer, but perhaps it could slow down or even reverse the aging process itself. A couple of cellular studies give us some interesting clues. It was already discovered that hydrogen can prolong the life of stem cells by reducing oxidative stress. A hydrogen-rich environment reduced both oxidative stress and aging in cells. Some scientists think that drinking hydrogen water could increase longevity in humans. Number 27, hydrogen water may kill bacteria and improve oral health. Drinking hydrogen water 4 to 5 times daily improved gum health in 13 patients with inflamed gums after 8 weeks. It also boosted blood antioxidants and enhanced the effects of other gum disease treatments. Hydrogen water could kill the bacteria that most commonly cause gum disease in cavities. It could also be used to improve overall oral health. Number 28, hydrogen preserves transplant organs. Hydrogen water could help preserve and reduce damage to the transplant organs without any toxic effects. It reduced the inflammation and injury that usually happens when donated organs are stored, which could save even more lives. All right, now let's talk a little bit about how hydrogen works in the body. Hydrogen has the unique capability of entering every cell in the body, even the nucleus and mitochondria within the cell. Hydrogen water affects various pathways, such as decreasing inflammatory cytokines, weakening cancer-causing genes, increasing the activity of cancer-fighting genes, reducing the activity of inflammation-related genes, boosting energy metabolism, and activating detox genes through the NRF2 pathway. Safety, dosage, and side effects. Molecular hydrogen, H2, has no known side effects. It's not toxic even at high concentrations. In most clinical studies, people drank 0.5 to 2 liters of hydrogen water daily. And after drinking hydrogen-rich water, the body uses what it needs, and the excess is simply evaporated.